Good afternoon from Bridal Fabrics. This is Duncan speaking. It's a video to tell you about a beautiful ivory embroidered and embellished lace that's called Beatrice. Hopefully you'll be able to see from this video that the base is a sheer and fine tulle that's been beautifully embroidered with this large scale pattern. I'll just put my hand in to give you some idea of the scale pattern. And then the embroidery's been embellished with beads, with sequins and with pearls. The sequins are very subtle. Hopefully you can just see them catching the light there. It's got a different pattern on both sides, so if I just come around to the side of the table and pan across, you can hopefully see that the border is slightly different on this side. So it gives you a choice of how to use the fabric. A very flexible fabric called Beatrice in ivory that's available from stock and without minimum quantity. It's got a beautiful, very flamboyant design and a great drape. This is Beatrice.